A comparison between Standard PLA and PLA HF, also known as PLA High Flow, while printing reveals several differences. First, the maximum printing speed for Standard PLA is 120 millimeters, or 4.7 inches per second, while PLA HF supports speeds up to 300 millimeters, or 11.8 inches per second. Second, the nozzle temperature for Standard PLA is 190 to 220 degrees Celsius, which is 370 to 430 degrees Fahrenheit, whereas the nozzle temperature for PLA HF needs to be dynamically controlled. Third, the recommended heated bed temperature for Standard PLA is 45 to 60 degrees Celsius, or 110 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, while PLA HF requires a heated bed temperature of 60 to 70 degrees Celsius, which is 140 to 160 degrees Fahrenheit.